So you work for a company planning to recycle plastic waste washed up on the beaches of many islands in the Maldives. You will create a spreadsheet to calculate the cost of return journey from the recycling center to an island to collect the plastic waste. Okay, all currency should be in US dollars. Open and examine island file. So you have this file, view it in this way, island. Okay, cost, island name, atoll, distance from the recycling plant, right? Okay, this file will be used to provide data for your spreadsheet and data must not be copied. Okay, data must not be copied or file changed. Examine cost CSV. Hold on. This is your cost. So fuel consumption, operating, fine. Okay. All right. Place in the footer. Uh, hmm, right line the text this prepared by your name. So right line the footer. So file, print. Make sure it's A4, page setup, footer, and where it should be right lined. Okay, and let's say I can have OAS. Okay, here you go. Fine. Next, what we have is okay. Fine. Space your name, sender, calendar number, and then space followed on by space today's automated date. So I mean, obviously, in the where was it? Footer, you can have is a space, and then what was it? Today's automated date, right? Fine. ठीक है. Save the spreadsheet as this in a so remember to save it in Excel workbook. अच्छा. So insert two new rows, so no problem, just insert one and rows. Are you following me? Merge cells A1 to C1, very basic points. A1, C1 merged. Enter the following. Format the merge cells into the following text 26, dark blue background. It should be white. Just go up, select this, make it white and dark blue background, and increase this to 26. ठीक है, something like this. Right. Format the spreadsheet will look like this. Okay, so how do we do this? So plastic, इसके लिए right click, format, and use the wrap option. इसमें अब you can just use tab. I can simply reduce it, increase this. So देखा आपने, and bit more. It should be like this. ठीक है, one island. So just press space. ठीक हो गया, right? Okay, और क्या करना है हमने? What we have to is right. The rest seems to be okay. नहीं, we have to align this. Okay, fine. Okay, point number 4. In B12, This is your B12. B12. You have over here what you have the island name. So have the island code. अब इधर देखो, you have the code and the island name, right? So you have to use, if you want the island name, look up the island, name of the island entered in cell B11. So you see in B11, I have the code. So what will I use? What do you think? Which function? This part. Yes.
In cell B12 function to look up the name of island. Uh, introduction. So I think we will use lookup.
Exactly. So is equals to lookup for this from this range, comma, get the data from second column and get me exact match 0. So it get you that, right? I have no problem. Yeah, yes or no? Very typical question. What do you say? Hana?
No, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Good. 5 पे आते हैं. In cell B13, enter formula to look up the distance of the island from the recycling plant. Okay, the distance. So इधर है क्या हमारे पास? Distance from the recycling plant. So well, again, obviously, we will use is where do you have to apply? B13. So again, look up, look up this value, and you're supposed to look this up from here and get the data from which column? Yes, which column? The distance.
Sir, from island name and
No, column number.
column number. Sir, can I read the question again? Distance of island from recycling. B38.
Distance. So I selected this lookup value from this range, comma, get the answer from which column?
So I think from B no, C2
No, no, number.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, 4. And exact match. ठीक है, 75 miles. अच्छा, फिर वो कहता है इन सेल B14 into formula to calculate the total distance traveled to the island and back. Yes, very interesting. Return distance कितना होगा? Come on.
Return distance. So
Hmm. Distance from
so,
recycling plant. Okay. So this was one way. So if you have to come back, it will be yes or no.
sir, I am coming back in 1 minute. I have to open the door for my
Okay,
parents.
okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. What I'm saying is it will multiply by 2. Agree with me?
Yes.
है ना? Makes sense. Coming back.
Yes. It,
अच्छा. 7. In cell B15, enter formula to calculate the number of hours the return journey will take. This is calculated as this. So return distance, so in B15, fine B15, we are B15. वो कह रहे हैं what are you saying? Return distance, so is equals to return distance divided by क्या है? Operating speed. So what is operating speed? Yeah, multiplied by करेंगे हम the content of B6 which is क्या था 1 knot. ठीक है, this is 1 knot, तो ये आएगा. Get my point? So that's the formula. Round this time up to the nearest whole number. Okay, nearest which means इसको क्या करना है हमने? इधर यूज करो simple round and comma 0. So round 0 will make it to the nearest. ठीक हो गया?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, in cell B16 वो कह रहे हैं enter formula to calculate the fuel used in the journey. This is calculated as return journey time multiplied by fuel consumption. So return journey time multiplied by fuel consumption. ठीक हो गया? I think so, no issue till now.
Yes.
In cell B17 over here, enter formula to calculate the fuel cost of the journey. Fuel cost journey किससे निकालेंगे? अब ये you tell me. Fuel used ये हो गई, cost किससे निकालेंगे?
Fuel cost. Sir, what is the price? Sir, we will multiply the column B3 with the column B16.
Okay, for fuel used and read the question again.
Uh, Enter a formula to calculate the fuel cost of journey.
Hmm.
Say we would multiply or not.
This is the fuel used, total fuel used. ठीक है, and yes, multiplied by the fuel cost. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Get the point? This much used and that's the cost. Fine. अब ये देखो, interesting part. In cell B18, enter formulas so that if the return journey time is less than 10, display 4. If greater than or equal to 10, then and so if it's 10 and less than or equal to 15, display 6. If it's greater than 15, 9. ठीक है, no problem. So P18. So if the thing is the journey time. Where is the journey time? Yeah, return journey time. So they're saying is that if this time, if it's less than 10, comma, display 4. Simple, right? So otherwise display 4. Otherwise, if journey time अच्छा, is less than equal to 15, तो you have to take the upper value. इसको नहीं लेना, आपने हमेशा इसको देखना है. ठीक है? So if it's less, oh, sorry, if it's less than equal to क्या था? 15. 15. Then do what? 6, comma. So we just have one option left. So we can simply say greater than 15 to 9. So simple last option में you can just type 9. So yes, there you go. So देखो हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है? It's 12. तो 12 कहाँ fall करेगा? It's 12, right? So 12 will give you 6 because it's between 10 and 15. ठीक है? So try कर लेते हैं. Let me change this to, let's say, 6. It gives me 4. बिल्कुल सही है. ठीक है. Let me type over here is, let's say, 22. It gives me 9. ठीक है. So it's working. और originally क्या था वैसे? Originally it was 12th, I think so. ठीक है. Yes. So done this one. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. This was the important part. तो जी ये बेटा आपने 10 तक ही करना है आपने. ठीक है. I'll just stop it here because then it will be, this